Hi guys, today I'm bringing you this quick, easy, curly ponytail using crochet hair. It's very easy, it only took me about 5-10 minutes total to complete. But first of all, cue the Black Girl Magic intro. Jumping right in, I used two different colours for this ponytail as my natural hair has highlights. So I used one colour of highlights and one black, just the one shown here. Here I'm showing you guys the hair consistency. It's just regular crochet hair you'd use to crochet your hair or for passion twists or whatever hairstyle you decide to do. But today obviously we're going to be using it to create this natural looking ponytail. First you'll need a hairband and scissors to cut the hair out of the packaging, and that's pretty much all you'll need. Here I'm showing you guys the differences in hair. Second obviously has the colour that I want. So first off, you loop the hair through the hairband as shown, and then you pull the rest of the hair through to create this knot on the hairband as shown. Now here I'm showing you guys, because I want to make it look natural, my natural hair has layers, so here I'm just pulling the hair so it's not at an equal length when I attach it to the hairband. So again, showing you the process. I'm looping the hair through the hairband, pulling it through that loop and securing it with a knot on the hairband basically. Please, if you have any questions onto how I do this, ask below. But there's also a YouTuber called Bri Hall that she uses the technique, and I've got it from her. I've just made it my own sort of in how I attach the hair to the ponytail and the colours I use and stuff like that. So instead of explaining, I'm just going to let you guys watch what I'm doing and hopefully you guys can pick it up. It's really straightforward as you can see, so yeah. And that's how you create this ponytail. I do go back and separate it to make it more full and natural, but that's it. The separation process is quite easy. All you do is separate the hair as many times as you want. I felt like I didn't really need to film this as it was self-explanatory. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this quick, easy video. If you've got any questions, link them below. If you want me to do a further video on this explaining exactly how to do it, let me know and I'll do that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Zafro gang. Gang, 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 gang.